Let's do a beginner-friendly heat transfer vinyl project using the StarCraft Solo. Okay, we're working in StarCraft Create today, and we're just gonna go ahead and upload our file. And I actually know exactly what size I want it, so I'm just gonna right-click and click Transform, Scale. I'm gonna make it down to 3 inches wide. Okay, much better. Now it's as simple as just pressing the Create button in the top right. And then we're gonna use Origin Point as our cut mode. We're gonna make sure that our design is mirrored. And we're actually gonna set our force to 10 and our speed to 7. I'm kind of excited. I'm actually using this HTV that I've never used before. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm also using out their mini heat press. We're gonna see if it's as good as the Cricut mini heat press. And on the Solo, we don't need to cut with a mat. So there's no reason to even cut this. I'm just gonna slip it into the StarCraft just like this. Okay, now that everything's set, I'm gonna hit Create. Heat is ready to be ironed on. Okay, we've got our little heat press heating up, so let's put our design on our shirt. Okay, my new heat press just dinged at me, so let's lay down our design, and then let's try pressing this puppy on. Okay, now we peel. Oh my goodness, so cute.